Hi, I'm Holly, food editor at myrecipes.com. Dinner tonight will show you how to make a healthy and delicious supper in less than 45 minutes. Hi, I'm Holly, food editor at myrecipes.com. Chicken with cranberry-port sauce is what's for dinner tonight. This one-dish meal from Cooking Light has fall flavors like cranberry and sage. Start by heating oil in a large skillet, and then while the oil gets hot, bread your chicken breast. Dredge each breast in breadcrumbs, and then just shake to remove the excess. Cook for about 2 minutes on each side or until the breadcrumbs are lightly browned. You don't need to worry about the chicken cooking all the way through just yet. We'll finish cooking it in just a few minutes. While the chicken continues to cook, combine broth, port wine, cranberry chutney, cornstarch, black pepper, and dried rub sage. Whisk all of these ingredients together. Add the mixture to the pan and then cover and cook for about 10 minutes or until the chicken is done. Oh, this smells so good. The cranberry and sage make it smell just like the holidays. Once the chicken's done, remove it from the pan. Crank up the heat and bring the sauce to a boil. You want to let it reduce to about half a cup. This should take probably a minute. Once the mixture has reduced, it's time to eat. Finally, spoon the cranberry-port sauce over the chicken. Pair with wild rice and a spinach salad to highlight the fall flavors. I hope you enjoy this meal for your dinner tonight.